Namaste everyone. You guys can turn your cameras on. Okay, so this is gonna be your asana class. Let's have a little bit of introduction. Myself, Saurabh Rathodi, and I'm gonna teach you Stanga Vinyasa here. And I have done my TTC and my masters in Yogacharya. I have 200 hour and 300 hour certificate as well. So I'm from Rishikesh. So just tell me about yourself, that how long you've been doing yoga and all, so I can know about you and your body, that how much you need to just practice or improve in yourself. So just tell me about yourself. Okay, Vrindaji, you can start.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Vrinda and I'm from Gujarat, Nadyad. I've been practicing yoga for on and off 2 years now, but that was not the Ashtanga yoga. So I seek to learn as much as I can from this course and try to improve myself in the best way possible.
Okay, Miraji.
Hi everyone, I'm from Mumbai and I started practicing yoga during lockdown only. And I like practicing, I like doing a lot of asanas and also I wanted to learn more and more. That's why I've joined this course to understand yoga in a much better way.
Kimji. Introduction about yourself. Yes, Kim Hasji. Yes.
I'm sorry, I didn't hear you.
Okay.
Yes, my name is Kim and I'm practicing yoga a couple of years and daily, but I'm more into the breath work and meditation. So my asanas are really basic and I didn't practice Ashtanga before.
Okay. Okay, guys. So first, I will tell you about a little bit information about Ashtanga. That what is Ashtanga? So the Ashtanga is created by K. Patabi Joyce. He just made the 6 series in Ashtanga. First is primary, second is intermediate, then advanced A, B, C, and D. So there are a total of 6 series, but we are gonna learn in this course primary series, the first series of Ashtanga, the basic series we will learn. And the guru of K. Patabi Joyce is Krishna Tirumalacharya ji. So he have 2 students. One is K. Patabi Joyce and another one is Iyengar. Have you heard about DKS Iyengar ji? So he have 2 students. So Iyengar ji have made this Iyengar form of yoga, and K. Patabi Joyce had made this Ashtanga form of yoga. So we will learn this Ashtanga series primary here. So there are 9 type of drishtis in like Ashtanga. So that we will learn in while doing the poses only. I will tell you that in this posture there is the this you have to look. Your gaze should be there. Your drishti should be there. So I will tell you at the time of doing Ashtanga. Okay. So have you ever done the sun salutation of Ashtanga? Anyone? Okay. So two Vandaji have done, Miriaji had done, but Kimji you didn't have done. Okay then. So Varundaji, can you show us how to do Ashtanga sun salutation A? Okay. So I will just instruct you. You just have to move yourself. So everyone just to look at to Varundaji how she is doing. Okay, come in front of a mat. Take 1 feet distance from a mat. Both feet together, knees together. Roll your shoulder and drop your shoulders down. Keep your chest open. Your chin should be parallel to the floor. Ekam inhale, sweep your both arms up over your head for Urdhva Sasana. Do exhale, bend fully forward down for Uttanasana. Third inhale, look front, lengthen your spine. Chatwari, press your palms, exhale, jump back to Chaturanga. Pancha, inhale, Urdhva Mukha. Shat, exhale, Adho Mukha. You have to hold here, you have to take ocean breath, the Ujjayi breath, which is coming from your throat. Hold 1, roll your shoulders out, 2, 3, 4, stay there, and 5. Sapta, bend your both knees, jump front into halfway look up, Ardha Uttanasana. Exhale, bend fully forward down for Uttanasana. Inhale, all the way come up for Urdhva Hastasana. Exhale, Samasthiti. Okay, one more time, I will show you. Okay, look proper. So come in front of a mat and then sweep your arms up. Inhale. To exhale, bend forward with your hip joints. Do not make a hump and bend like this. This is wrong. Sweep, open your chest, lift your chest up and bend with your hip joints. Place your both palms beside of your both feet. 3D inhale, look front, lengthen your spine. So while you will lengthen your spine, you have to touch your fingertips on the floor and keep your spine straight and elevated front. Do not make a hump like this. If you cannot keep your back straight while keeping your knees straight, you can just slightly bend your knees and then you can lift your chest up, but keep your spine in one line. Okay. Now press your palms. You can lift yourself up if you have that strength for lifting. So you have to lift like this. And then jump back to Chaturanga. But if you cannot lift yourself, so what you have to do, you can bend your knees and jump like this. But if you are scared of jumping, you can feel that you didn't have that practice, or like you may hurt your toes, you can take your steps one by one. Come into Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. In upward facing dog, you will not touch your thighs on the mat. You will keep your thighs lifted. Roll your shoulder, look up. Exhale to the downward facing dog. In downward facing dog, roll your shoulders out. Keep looking at your navel point and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Then Sapta. Again, you can jump or you can walk front. So whichever you prefer, you can take. You can just do it. You slowly land into halfway look up. Exhale, bend fully forward down. Inhale, come up. Exhale, Samasthiti. So this is sun salutation A of Ashtanga. So everybody stand up on your mat. Take 1 feet distance from a mat. Keep your both arms beside of your body like this, finger pointing towards the floor. Both feet together, knees together. Inhale, raise your both arms up over your head for Urdhva Hastasana or Urdhva Vrikshasana. Do exhale, bend fully forward down for Uttanasana. Ready, inhale, look front, lengthen your spine. Look front, everybody, but keep your spine straight. Chatwari, press your palms on the floor and exhale, jump back to Chaturanga. In Chaturanga, bend your elbows. Your elbows should be closer to your rib cages. Inhale, swing yourself up for Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Exhale, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Lift your hips up, come back. Now stay there for 5 counts. 1, 2, 3. Look towards your navel point, your drishti. Your drishti should be on your navel point. Head in, Kimji, head in. Look at your navel point. 4, yes, more in. And 5. Sapta, bend your both knees, jump between your both palms for halfway look up, Ardha Uttanasana. Look front, touch your fingertips on the floor and straight your spine. Exhale, bend fully forward down for Uttanasana. Try to touch your belly on your thighs, chest on your knees, and chin on your shin. Inhale, all the way come up for Urdhva. Exhale, back to the Samasthiti. Second round, Ekam, inhale. To exhale, bend fully forward down. Place your both palms beside of your both feet. Third inhale, look front, lengthen your spine. Chatwari, press your palm and exhale, jump back to Chaturanga Dandasana. Pancha, inhale, Urdhva Mukha. Shat, exhale, Adho Mukha. Again, hold there for 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Sapta, bend your both knees, jump between your both palms for the halfway look up. Exhale, bend fully forward down. Nava, inhale, all the way come up. Exhale, back to the Samasthiti. Third round, Ekam, inhale, again sweep your arms up for Urdhva. Do exhale for Uttanasana. Third inhale, look front, lengthen your spine. Chatwari, exhale, jump back to Chaturanga Dandasana. Chaturanga, Vrindaji, Chaturanga banaiye. Keep your elbows closer to your rib cages. Punch, inhale, Urdhva Mukha, upward facing dog. Roll your shoulders, look back. Shut, exhale, downward facing dog. Keep lifting your tailbone high towards the ceiling. Try to touch your heels on the mat. Now hold there for 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep pressing your thoracic towards your legs. And 5. Sapta, bend your both knees. Again, jump front between your both palms for the halfway look up. Ashto, exhale, bend fully forward down. Nava, inhale, all the way come up. Exhale, back to the Samasthiti. Fourth round. Ekam, inhale, again sweep your arms up. Toe, exhale, bend fully forward down. Nasagra Drishti. You have to look between your both, like side of your nostrils. Tredi, inhale, look front. Chatwari, exhale, jump back. Pancha, inhale, Urdhva Mukha. Shat, exhale, Adho Mukha. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Sapta, bend your both knees, jump front. Ashto, exhale. Nava, inhale, come up. Exhale, back to the Samasthiti. Fifth and last round. Ekam, inhale, again sweep your both arms up. You have to stretch yourself up towards the ceiling as much as you can. You don't have to do back bending here. Do exhale, bend forward towards your leg from your hip joints. 3D inhale, look front, lengthening your spine. You can bend your knees for lengthening your spine, but do not make an arch or hump on your back. Chatwari, press your palm and go back to Chaturanga Dandasana. Pancha, inhale, Urdhva Mukha. Shat, exhale, Adho Mukha. Again, hold there. 1, keep breathing. 2, 3, 4. Keep lifting your tailbone high. And 5. Sapta, bend your both knees, jump front. Ashto, exhale. Nava, inhale, come up. Exhale, Samasthiti. So we have completed the sun salutation A. Now I'll show you how to do sun salutation B. Say, inhale, raise your bend your both knees first. This is sun salutation B of Ashtanga. Okay. Ekam, inhale, bend your both knees, touch your fingertips on the floor and raise your both arms up. Come for the chair pose, Utkatasana. In this chair pose, you have to keep one thing in mind. You will not drop your knees like this. You will not cross your toes with your knees. You have to make your knee and your ankle should be in one line. Your knees will not drop like this, because if you will drop your knees like this, you may have injury in your knees. What you have to do, you have to try to sit back. Think that you have a chair behind and you are sitting on that chair. If you will not sit like this back, if you will not take your hips back and down, what you will do, you will just try to sit like this. And this is the wrong position, zigzag. This is wrong. So just try to bend and sit back. Arms up, this is the chair position. Then do exhale, bend fully forward down. Again, palms on the mat beside of your both feet. 3D inhale, look front. Again, some of you are not like keeping your spine straight. Again, I'm telling, just bend your knees and then, but keep your spine straight like this. Chatwari, press your palm. Again, you can step back or you can jump back. Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. In sun salutation B, now we'll do warrior A. Raise your right leg up first and then bring your right leg front between your both palms for the warrior A. Okay, again, warrior A. You have to bring your knee and ankle in one line. You will not make warrior A like this. This is wrong if you are crossing your ankle with your knees. And if your knees are behind, it is okay because you didn't have that much flexibility in your adductors muscles or your hamstrings. So it's okay, but do not do like this. Okay. Back feet, again, you will not keep your back feet front 5 degrees in. So you will rotate your back feet 5 degrees in and you will square your hip. Your hip will not look front. You have to square your hip towards the right side and arms up. Again, do not do back bending because if you will do back bending, you will feel pressure on your lower back. You have to just keep sinking with your hip down as much as you can and look up towards your thumb, your gaze. Your gaze should be on your thumbs, Angushta Madhya Drishti. Now from here, exhale, jump back to Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Bring your left leg front for warrior A. Exhale, again jump back. Inhale, and then exhale. Then we will hold, and then again, same, we will continue like how the way we come into this downward facing dog. So now everybody come for sun salutation B. Stand up on your mat. Come in front. Ekam, inhale, bend your both knees, raise your both arms up, and again come for the chair pose, Utkatasana. Okay. Knees back. Vrindaji, slightly knees back. Virayaji, again, slightly knees back. Knees back, take your knees back. Go down less, but take your knees back, yeah. Do exhale, bend fully forward down for Uttanasana. 3D inhale, look front and lengthen your spine. Yes, correct. Chatwari, exhale, jump back to Chaturanga Dandasana. Pancha, inhale, upward facing dog. Shut, exhale, downward facing dog. Sapta, lift your right leg up high in the air and then bring your right leg between your both palms for warrior A. Keep your front leg 90 degree. Back feet slightly 5 degrees in, square your hips and raise your both arms up over your head. Look towards your thumb, your gaze, your drishti should be Angushta Madhya Drishti. Ashto, exhale, jump back to Chaturanga. Nava, inhale, Urdhva Mukha. Dasha, exhale, Adho Mukha. Guys, please do properly Chaturanga. Do not skip that posture. That posture is very important for your gaining the strength of your arms. Now bring your left leg front. First lift your left leg up and then bring your left leg front for warrior A. Dwadasha, exhale, jump back Chaturanga. Triyodasha, inhale, Urdhva Mukha, very nice. Chaturdasha, exhale, Adho Mukha. Stay into downward facing dog. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Panchadasa, bend your both knees, jump between your both palms for halfway look up, Ardha-Uttanasana. Shodasa, exhale, Uttanasana, bend fully forward down. Saptadasa, inhale, all the way come up for the chair pose, Utkatasana. Exhale, back to the Samasthiti. Okay, nice. Second round. Okay, I'll want to show you one more thing. You are doing a lot of mistakes in this Chaturanga. So what you have to do, if you cannot make Chaturanga like this, so what you are doing, you are just putting your pressure on this lower back and you are doing like this. This is not good. In this position, you are hurting your lower back. So what you have to do, drop your knees down like this. You can drop your knees down, go less, go this much, but make Chaturanga properly. Do not tuck your tailbone out like this. Do not make this arch. What you have to do, tuck your tailbone in. This is tuck tailbone out. This is tailbone in. So what you have to do, you have to just tuck your tailbone in and then go front. Then sweep yourself up into upward facing dog and then go for the downward facing dog. Okay. You can take support of the knees, but do not put all the pressure on your lower back. Okay, again, second round. Everybody come back. Ekam, inhale, again bend your both knees, come for the Utkatasana chair pose. Do exhale, bend fully forward down. 3D inhale, look front. Chatwari exhale, jump back. Pancha inhale, upward facing dog. Shat exhale, downward facing dog. Sapta, lift your right leg up and then bring your right leg front for the warrior A. Ashto, exhale, jump back to Chaturanga. Nava, inhale, Urdhva Mukha. Dasha, exhale, Adho Mukha. Ekadasha, bring your left leg front for warrior A. In warrior A, Varundaji, drop your feet down, heel down, yes. Dwadasha, exhale, jump back to Chaturanga. Triyodasha, inhale, Urdhva Mukha. Chaturdasha, exhale, Adho Mukha. Now hold. 1, 2, keep lifting your tailbone high. 3, look at your navel point, do not look down. Look at your navel point. Your drishti should be Nabhi Chakra drishti. Look between your belly, the belly button. You have to look at the belly button. Head more down, yeah. 3, 4, and 5. Panchadasa, bend your both knees and jump front. Shodasa, exhale, bend fully forward down. Saptadasa, inhale, come up for the chair pose. Exhale, Samasthiti. Third round, Ekam, inhale again, come for the chair pose, Utkatasana. Do exhale, bend fully forward down for Uttanasana. Three, inhale, look front, lengthen your spine. Chatwari, exhale, jump back to Chaturanga Dandasana. Pancha, inhale, upward facing dog. Shat, exhale to the downward facing dog. Sapta, bring your right leg front for warrior A. Ashto, exhale, go back to Chaturanga. Nava, inhale, Urdhva Mukha. Dasha, exhale, Adho Mukha. Ekadasha, bring your left leg front. Warrior A. Dvadasha, exhale, jump back Chaturanga. Triyodasha, inhale. Chaturdasha, exhale. Stay into downward facing dog. Catch your breath and hold for 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Panchadasa, bend your both knees and jump front. Shodasa, exhale. Saptadasa, inhale, come up for the chair pose. Exhale, back to the Samasthiti. Now 4th round. Ekam, inhale, again come for the Utkatasana. Chair pose, yes. Do exhale for the Uttanasana. Forward bend, forward fold. Ready, inhale, halfway look up, half forward fold. Chatwari, exhale, back to Chaturanga Dandasana. Pancha, inhale, upward facing dog. Shat, exhale to the downward facing dog. Sapta, bring your right leg front for the warrior A. Ashto, exhale, jump back to Chaturanga. Nava, inhale, Urdhva Mukha. Dasha, exhale, Adho Mukha. Ekadasha, bring your left leg front. Dvadasha, exhale, jump back to Chaturanga. Triyodasha, inhale, Urdhva Mukha. Chaturdasha, exhale, Adho Mukha, downward facing dog. Stay there. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Panchadasa, bend your both knees, jump front. Shodasa, exhale. Saptadasa, inhale, come up. Exhale, Samasthiti. 5th and last round. Again, inhale, come for the chair pose. Do exhale, bend fully forward fold. 3D, inhale, half forward fold. Chatwari, exhale, jump back to Chaturanga. Pancha, inhale, Urdhva Mukha. Shat, exhale, Adho Mukha. Sapta, bring your right leg front for warrior A. Ashto, exhale, jump back to Chaturanga. Nava, inhale, upward facing dog. Dasha, exhale, downward facing dog. Ekadasha, bring your left leg front. For Veerbhadrasana, Dwadasha exhale, jump back to Chaturanga Dandasana. Trayodasha inhale, upward facing dog. Chaturdasha exhale, downward facing dog. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now we'll do push-ups. Okay, it's a kind of push-ups to increase your arm strength, because in Ashtanga we need a lot of arm strength. Okay, so just bend your knees, relax yourself for the few counts into child pose. Relax into child pose. In child pose, we just keep our knees slightly outside and we adjust our belly or our rib cages between our thighs. So just open your knees out, adjust your rib cages between your thighs, and just relax yourself. Try to gain your energy back and do not do normal breathing. Just take deep breath in and deep breath out. Give proper oxygen to your muscles right now. Okay, tuck your toes, lift your hips up, come for the downward facing dog. Now we'll start the push-ups. Come into plank pose. Full plank. Yes, in full plank again, tailbone in. Push your shoulder blades away from each other and lean front as much as you can. Exhale to the Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Again, second round. Come for the plank. Exhale, Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. Keep your thighs lifted off from the floor. Exhale, downward facing dog. Third round again, come for the plank. Exhale, Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Fourth round again, come for the plank. Exhale, Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Fifth round, again come for the plank. Exhale, Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale to the downward facing dog. Sixth round, come for the plank, Falakasana. Exhale, Chaturanga. Inhale, Urdhva Mukha. Exhale, Adho Mukha. Seventh round, come for the plank. Exhale, inhale, and exhale. Eighth, come for the plank. Exhale, inhale, everybody exhale. Ninth round, now we will hold for 3 counts in each posture. Come for the plank and hold there for 3 counts. 1, tailbone in, 2, and 3. Exhale, Chaturanga, hold there for 3 counts. 3, 2, 1. Inhale, upward facing dog, hold. 1, 2, 3. Exhale, downward facing dog, hold. 1, 2, 3. 10th and last round, everybody. Now we'll hold there for 5 counts. Plank pose. 1, 2, 3. Miraji, hip up. 4 and 5. Exhale to the Chaturanga. Hold for 5 counts. 5. Use your strength. 4, 3. Hold. 2. Lift yourself up, chest off the floor. And 1. Inhale, upward facing dog. Again, hold. Roll your shoulders in upward facing dog. Look back. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Come back to the downward facing dog. Again, hold there. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now relax yourself into child pose. So we have completed the Ashtanga Sun Salutation 5, Sun Salutation A, and 5 sun salutations B. So after that, our standing sequence will be that we will be starting from tomorrow. But today we will do little bit of core exercise also. So everybody come into downward facing dog. And then bend your knees and jump front into Dandasana. Okay, guys, this is Dandasana. So from here, downward facing dog, you have to bend your knees. Dandasana like this, yeah. If you can try jumping, because in a video paused, can't hear. Okay, everyone can hear. Vrindaji, Janaji, you can hear me? Okay, Miraji, only you cannot hear. Other else, they can hear me. Okay, sit in Dandasana and now lay down, exhale, lay down on your back. Okay, while laying down, do not make an arch on your back. Tuck your tailbone in and flat your spine properly on the mat. Okay, you should not make any arch on your back right now. Now inhale, lift your one leg up at 90 degree and another leg in 30. Slightly off from the floor, your left leg. Now change your leg, 1, 2, cross your leg and change your leg, 3, yes, 4, 5, but keep your knees straight, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Drop your both legs down, take a deep breath in and deep breath out. Second round again, inhale, lift your one leg up 90, another leg 30. Again, change your legs, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Varandaji, shake across your legs according to yourself. Do not follow my counting. Yeah. 8, cross, cross. 9 and 10. Exhale. Again, drop your both legs down. Take a deep breath in and deep breath out. Prepare yourself for the third round. Take a long, deep breath in. Inhale, lift your legs up again. Start 1, cross your legs 1 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then exhale, drop your both legs down. Deep breath in and deep breath out. Okay, now inhale, lift your both legs together up at 90 degree. Both legs together in 90 degree. Exhale, leg down at 30 degree. Inhale again up. Exhale down. 2, 3, 4. Do not touch your legs on the floor. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Exhale, drop your legs down. Deep inhale, deep exhale. Lift your both legs again up at 90 degree. Second round. Exhale to the 30 degree. Inhale again up. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Exhale, drop your legs down. Now third and last round. Inhale again, lift your legs up. Start 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Exhale. Drop your legs down again. Take a deep inhale and deep exhale. Okay, now you have to just lift your leg at 30 degrees like this. Okay, you have to keep your back properly on the mat. If you will not, if you will make arch on your back, you will feel pain on your lower back. Use your core muscles or engage your core while tucking your tailbone in. Lift your legs slightly up from the floor, hands like this, and just hold. Just lift your thoracic region. Keep your lower back down. Hold like this. Yeah. Both feet together. Point your toes towards the wall front. Wall. Yes. And just keep lifting your thoracic. Use your core strength and feel that engagement in your core. Hold 1. Hands also side of your body in the air. 2, just this much. 3, 4, and 5. Exhale down. Second round, inhale up. 1, point your toes front. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Exhale down. Third and last round. Again, inhale, lift, hold there for 10 counts. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Exhale. Drop your head down. Deep inhale and exhale. Bend your both knees. Grab your both ankles for the bridge pose. Now with inhalation, lift your hips up. Contract your shoulder blades and move your thoracic up as much as you can. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Last round, inhale up and hold there for 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Exhale, drop your hip down. Now, bend your both knees towards your chest and hug your knees. Hug your legs. Squeeze your belly properly. Hug your legs tightly. Now exhale, take a deep inhale. Exhale, try to touch your nose on your knees. Now roll yourself front and back. Okay, Vrindaji, make a hump on your back so you will roll front and back. Okay, do not straight your spine like this. Make your spine curve so you can roll. Put your head on your knees. If you will make a hump, so it will be easy to roll. Now side rolling, side to side, side rolling. Drop your both feet on the floor, feet on the floor. Yeah. Now drop your both knees to the right, look left. Yes. Drop your both knees to the right, look left side. Both arms by the side open. Now inhale, come in center, exhale, change your side. Both knees to the left and look right. Again, inhale, come back front, exhale, change your side. Inhale front, exhale again, change your side. Inhale again front, exhale, change your side. Now straight your both legs and lay down into Shavasana. Your palms facing towards the ceiling. Your right feet should be dropped right side. Your left feet should be dropped left side. Your spine fully on the mat. Touch your spine, whole spine on the mat, and just relax. Keep your arms slightly away from your body. And just relax your heartbeat. Relax your breath. Relax your muscles. Try to calm your body down. Okay, now move your head right to left, left to right, slowly. Move your fingers, move your toes. Bring your awareness back. Interlace your fingers and stretch your arms behind your head. Stretch your body, legs down and hands up. And with exhalation, release. Now bend towards the right side. Bend your both knees, make pillow of your right hand. Turn yourself to the right. Press with your left hand on the mat, sit in any comfortable position and keep your eyes closed. Keep your eyes closed. Sit straight. Sit properly on your sitting bones. Keep your head, neck and back in one line. You can make any mudra you prefer for yourself. It can be Gyan or Chin mudra. Take a deep and long breath in and deep and long breath out. Now we'll chant one time Om, followed by 3 Shanti. Take a deep inhale. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Join your both palms together in front of your heart center. Rub your both palms. Create warmness between your both palms. Apply first to your eyes. Give that gentle warm on your eye, on your face, on your neck, to your shoulders, to your chest, belly, and then your legs. Again, join your palms together and gently bow down your head towards God. And thank God for giving us this wonderful environment to do yoga and this strength for today's class. While blinking, looking at your palm, open your eyes. Namaste to all. So if you have any questions, any queries, which is coming in your mind or anything related to asana, you can free to ask me anytime.
So I had some network issue, which because of which I got locked out
Yeah.
after the sub salutation. So I basically missed that core exercise. So
Yeah.
getting the recorded video.
Yeah, you will get this video tomorrow. Oh, it's okay. We can also do after, like tomorrow, we can also do again. This
Thank
core
you.
exercise we will do. Okay, anyone else have any questions? Okay, no. Okay, then.
I have a question. So with this Ashtanga series, you start really heavily with your hands. So do you do any kind of like a warm up before or so?
Yeah, today because I have to introduce to the like Ashtanga sun salutation, so that's why we didn't do. By the way, Ashtanga should be done when you have done before the Hatha. Okay, you have that little bit flexibility and that mobility in your joints and in your muscles flexibility. So after that, when you come for Ashtanga, in Ashtanga basically we start with sun salutation 5 set of A and 5 set of B. But before that, we can like do some joint movements or some tabletop variations for a little bit of warmer. So from tomorrow onwards, we will do in the same way only. But today I have to show you that how to do sun salutation A, then B. But when we like, you guys will know that how to do this A, B and standing sequence and then middle part. Then at that time, we will go by the sequence. Okay. Any other questions? Okay, then thank you so much, guys, for joining me today. Namaste. Take care, everybody. See you tomorrow.